Hey guys, thank you for having me. Welcome to today's mathematics online lesson. In today's lesson of mathematics, we're going to be looking at arithmetic progression. Without wasting much of the time, we're going to look at an example. Given the 11th term of AP is 43 and A is equals to 3. Remember we said A stands for the first term. Okay, so they want us to find the common difference and the fourth term. Okay, so we'll start by finding the common difference. So in this case, we're going to use the formula for the arithmetic progression, which is Tn is equals to A plus, open brackets, n minus 1, close brackets, d. So remember, it's important to note down your data. So the 11th term is 43 and our first term is 3. Okay, so after you note down your data, you simply substitute it in the formula. So in this case, they want us to find the common difference. So we already have the term, we have the first term, and we have we have the term, we have the end term. Okay. So our 11th term is 43. So you say 43 is equal to, what is our first term? Our first term is 3 plus, what is our nth term? Our nth term is 11 minus 1, close brackets, d. Then you continue with your calculations. Okay. So you can start by taking the 3 on the other side of the equal sign. And when the 3 crosses the equal sign, it will become negative. So you say 43 minus 3 plus, open brackets, 11, so say equal to, open brackets, 11 minus 1, or then d. And you say 43 minus 3, what will you get? You get 40. 40 is equal to 11 minus 1, you have 10. Okay, 10 close brackets, d. Then you multiply the d by the 10. And what will you get? You get 10d. So you say 40 is equals to 10d. Okay. Then afterwards you divide both sides by 10 in order for you to get your common difference, your d. Okay, so you say over 10 over 10. 10 into 10, 1. And you remain with d is equal to, how many times does 10 go into 40? Goes there 4 times. Okay, and you have your common difference. So we've done the first part of the question. Secondly, they want us to find the fourth term. How do we find the fourth term? So in order for us to find the fourth term, we use the formula for the arithmetic progression. Okay, so remember, firstly, you write down your formula. So we already have the formula here. Tn is equals to A, open brackets, n minus 1, close brackets, d. Okay, so they want us to find the fourth term. So we say T4 is equal to, what's our first term? Our first term is 3. Okay, so we say 3 plus, open brackets, 4 minus 1. What was our common difference? Our common difference was 4. Okay. Then you continue with your calculations. You say T4 is equal to 3 plus, what is 4 minus 1? You have 3. Close brackets, 4. Continue, T4 is equal to 3 plus, then you say 4 times 3. What will you have? You get continue, you say T4 is equal to, you say 3 plus 12. What will you get? You get 15. And you are done. You found your common difference and your fourth term. Okay. So remember, before you do anything, before you start solving your question, you first write down the equation. You first write down the formula, which is Tn is equal to A plus, open brackets, n minus 1, close your brackets, then D. And remember, it's important to note down your data in order for you to easily substitute in the formula. Okay, so we've come to the end of our lesson. This has been your tutor, Mr. Walusumu. Looking forward to seeing you in my next lesson.